If you're searching for a working Kraken invite code, then you found the right video. If you're planning to join Kraken, you can use the registration link in the description to see if you're eligible for a referral promotion. Starting your sign up through that link means any available offer is applied automatically, so you don't have to search for or manually enter an invite code. From there, simply provide your email address and begin creating your account. During registration, Kraken will ask whether you're signing up as an individual or as a business. Select the appropriate option and continue through the remaining setup steps. Like most regulated cryptocurrency exchanges, Kraken requires identity verification before you can access all of its features. Complete the verification process by following the on-screen instructions, and once your account is approved, you'll be ready to use the platform. Kraken includes an easy-to-use interface for new users, along with more advanced trading tools for those who want additional features as they gain experience. If you'd like to take advantage of any referral offer that may be available, be sure to register using the link in the description before creating your account.